Blood pressure is the pressure exerted by the blood against the walls of the blood vessels, especially the arteries. It varies with the strength of the heartbeat, the volume and viscosity of the blood, and the elasticity of the walls of the arteries. It also depends on a person's age, health, and physical condition. Heart rate is different from blood pressure. The former is regulated by electrical impulses from the sinoatrial node, the heart's pacemaker. Each one of these impulses causes a rapid sequence of contractions, first in the atria and then in the ventricles, that corresponds to one heartbeat. Both heartbeat and blood pressure are controlled by the nervous system in the short term and by the hormones over a longer period. A healthy adult beats up to 60 to 80 beats per minute while at rest. During strenuous exercise, it can beat up to 200 beats per minute. When the heart beats, the blood flows and exerts pressure against the arterial walls. As the heart contracts in the cycle of pumping blood, blood pressure reaches its highest level. This is called systolic blood pressure. The blood pressure reaches its lowest point when the heart is at rest and is relaxed. It is called dystolic blood pressure. Normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mm of mercury for a healthy person. There is no safe limit beyond normal. A human being is said to have high blood pressure if continuously the systolic and the diastolic pressures exceed the limit of 140/90. Medical advice is necessary. Values higher than 160/95 are placed in the danger zone. Please do not ignore hypertension, that is high blood pressure. Please consult a qualified doctor and take necessary medication as advised. However, some of the homeopathic medicines are of great help. The symptoms of high blood pressure or hypertension are usually none but at very high levels: headache, blurred vision, dizziness, throbbing in temple arteries, a feeling of heaviness. You have to change your lifestyle, on which I shall be making a separate video in the next few days. If there is violent headache, there is congestion in the head and there is double vision, take Aurum Met 200. It is of great help. The patient is unable to sleep. There is a tumultuous rebounding of heart after a momentary stop. Pulse is irregular. If the blood is surging to the head, there is a sensation of heaviness, confusion, dizziness. There is a violent irregularity of blood circulation. There is sudden throbbing pulsation in the entire body. Glownoin 200 is the remedy to take care of the situation. High blood pressure at the climacteric of women requires Lachesis 200. The patient has coldness of feet. In cases of cardiac asthma, if the patient has high BP, Lycopus virgin 30 is used. If hardening of the arteries with high blood pressure occurs, use Plumbum Met 30. If there is a burning of palms and soles, climacteric time for women, flushes of heat, distension of temporal veins, pain in occiput, we prescribe Sanguinaria 30. If there is congestion at the base of brain, congestion of the lungs, giddiness, the eyes are bloodshot, the patient sees double, His face is bloated. Both systolic and diastolic pressure are high. There is a rheumatic heart. There is nausea, vomiting, pulse throbbing throughout the body, particularly the right thigh. There is burning pain in chest near the heart. It's a serious situation and you require Veratrum Viridae 30. Choose your medicines carefully while not forgetting to consult a cardiac physician. I shall be taking up different aspects of hypertension in the next 2 videos. Thank you. Have a good day.